Hi, I'm Peter Schroedter and I'm with Resolute Rubber. If you got a couple of minutes, I'll show you how to mount this Resolute Rubber snowplow blade so that it takes care of all kinds of snow and all kinds of different snow conditions. So first of all, I'd like to show you this little model that we built. I've got a steel backer blade here, and for the purposes of this, we'll pretend it's mounted to the mold board. We've got a Resolute Rubber snowplow blade that's slotted, and we've got a retaining strap, and now we're going to put on the washers and the nuts. We're going to leave things loose so that we can adjust them, and that's really important that you adjust them. I'm going to turn this thing to the side so you can see the depth that we're going to go to. Now, for the purposes of our little demonstration here, I'm going to say we're setting up a blade to go out to plow hard packed snow, and for that I'd recommend no more than an inch. This is a little bit less, so we'll back it off a notch and we'll have it at 1 inch, and there we are. We're at 1 inch below the steel backer blade. Now, the steel backer blade is really important, and it's very, very necessary to make easy adjustments. So by leaving the steel backer blade in place on the mold board, we effectively create a surface so that we can adjust the blade real easy. If you take that out and bolt the rubber blade directly to the mold board, you're going to find that it's going to try to conform to the mold board and the groove that the mold board has for the steel blade, be it 8-inch or 6-inch greater blade. So by leaving the steel backer blade in, you beat that and you've given yourself an easy adjustment. The steel backer blade also supports the rubber blade so that you can become much more aggressive when you have to remove hard packed snow. If you're taking out slush, that's what your job is for the day, then you can leave 3 inches. Some guys even go as much as 4 inches. If your job is to remove ice, make sure that the ice has been salted long enough so that it actually becomes loose and more of a squeegee job ahead of you than trying to scrape out ice, because rubber won't scrape ice, neither will neoprene, and neither will steel blades unless they're carbide. So that's the adjustment for the snow. Now I'm going to explain why it's important to leave the steel backer blade again, because a lot of people won't do that. Without the steel backer blade, you don't get good adjustment. Without good adjustment, you can't expect the rubber blade to do the job it was designed to do. I hope that explains everything, and if it doesn't, don't hesitate to give us a call at Resolute Rubber or with our distributors, and we'll get you the information that you need in real quick time so you can get out there and go to work. And remember, Resolute Rubber blades are tough, very tough. They're too tough to roll. Basically, they're just downright tough. So thank you very much for your time.